this video, I want to show you how you can apply your design onto your silk screen using the Derivan drawing fluid. First up, if you're doing it on the inside of the screen, you need to make sure it's lifted above so it doesn't bleed. In this example, I'm using lids to give it that 1 centimetre gap. And now I'm painting and also using the nib that comes with the applicator. You can also apply your design to the silk screen on the other side of the screen. See how it's flipped here? But you do need to note that if you're doing text, you'll need to reverse it so it doesn't end up printing in reverse. Here we're doing it on the inside of the screen again. Note we're using the lids to lift it off so it doesn't bleed. Note we're using the applicator that comes on the bottle to apply the design. This is extremely handy, especially for fine lines. Once you've completed your design, leave it for 24 hours to dry so that you can then apply the next step, which is the block out.